Have you ever wondered if it's true that women snore less than men? Let's dive into the science behind sleepy sounds. Studies actually show that men are about twice as likely to be habitual snorers compared to women. Why is that? Well, anatomically, men tend to have narrower upper airways and more tissue around the neck and throat. When they relax during sleep, this tissue can vibrate more easily, creating that familiar snoring sound. Plus, female hormones like progesterone play a role in keeping the airways open and toned, which helps reduce the chances of snoring, at least before menopause. But here's the interesting part. It's not that women don't snore, they often just do it more quietly or less frequently. And after menopause, when those hormone levels change, the snoring gap between men and women starts to close significantly. So, while men generally do snore more, factors like your sleep position, weight, and lifestyle choices are often much more important than gender. Did you already know this, or is this new to you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this little fact, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.